Are you in a situation where you bought your home in the last couple of years and you might be looking to sell it in the next 2 or 3? If so, then without the information that I'm about to give you, you might be entering into the market woefully underprepared. My name is Justin Heminger, and I'm the team leader and co-owner of Apex Realty Group here in Fairbanks. And I wonder if you know anybody that matches this description. They bought their home in the midst of a crazy seller's market, more than likely with a VA loan, so they financed over 100% of their mortgage. Not only that, but they also bought their home as is and didn't ask for any home inspection items to be repaired. And they sold everything they had to pay cash over a low appraisal. Does any of that sound familiar? Many buyers wrote very similar offers in the last couple of years to get into homes as a consequence of historically low interest rates that increased the buyer pool dramatically. With that increase of demand came a decrease in supply, which drove competition and prices through the roof. But you already know all this. But that was yesterday's market, and we're shifting into something completely different. Unfortunately, if tomorrow's sellers don't act quickly, the combination of all of these factors could leave them extremely vulnerable in a completely different market. With a steep rise in interest rates, demand is already starting to decrease. What will come next is a stabilization in home prices brought about by an increase in supply. In tomorrow's market, seller competition will go through the roof, and every second of preparation will count. So what I have for you are 3 steps that'll help you get prepared for tomorrow's market. Number 1, give us a call. During this call, we'll ask for a copy of your home inspection report if you have one, and we'll schedule a walkthrough of your home. And during that walkthrough, our team will conduct a free assessment of your home's value and start working on the next step with you. Number 2 is to work with our team to establish a cosmetic and home inspection repair plan. Before you start renovating kitchens and bathrooms, please let us take a look at them. Most of the only cosmetic improvements homes will need would be some fresh paint and some new flooring. Updated kitchens and bathrooms can definitely help sell homes, but just because things are slightly outdated doesn't mean they definitely need to be replaced. Home inspection items can vary from home to home, but there are definitely some repair items that need to be addressed sooner rather than later. Number 3, and this is a freebie, you can start doing this one without even giving us a call. And I know it's harder to do in practice than it is in theory, but put away anything extra that you can towards your principal balance. For instance, just $100 extra a month towards your principal only will reduce what you owe on your home at the end of 3 years by close to $4,000. So imagine the results of all of this. It's been a couple of years and you're getting ready to sell your home. Instead of showing up to the market owing more, you owe a little bit less. Instead of having a laundry list of repairs to complete in 45 to 60 days, a buyer's time, you're prepared to negotiate around them. Your home looks great and you're prepared to compete in a market that's much harder on sellers. The great thing about all this is that there are no downsides to being wrong. If I'm wrong and we see larger than normal appreciation, then you still owe less and you win. If I'm wrong and sellers are still winning on everything, then you've made your home more desirable and more competitive, and we've sold your home faster and for more money, and you still win. But if I'm right and you take these steps, you could be avoiding failure altogether and setting yourself up for success. If we can help, or even if you're just a little curious and you want to have a conversation, please give me a call at 907-888-9445. Thank you and have a great day.